Let's go over how to disable the sensitive content filter on Twitter X for both iPhone and Android. If you frequently use the X app but find that it restricts access to sensitive content, such as graphic or violent material, this guide will help you turn off the filter. First, open the X or Twitter app. However, since the app doesn't provide an option to change this setting directly, we'll need to use an alternative method. Start by exiting the X app and launching a web browser, Safari, Google Chrome, or any browser of your choice. On an iPhone, for example, you can open Safari and go to Google. Next, search for Twitter and select the official website, twitter.com. If the site redirects you to the app instead, try long pressing the link and opening it in a new tab to ensure you access the web version. Once on Twitter's website, log into your X account. After signing in, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open the side menu. Expand the Settings and Support section, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, navigate to Privacy and Safety and find the Content You See section. In this menu, you'll need to adjust two key settings. First, ensure that the Display Media that may contain sensitive content option is enabled. Then, go to Search Settings and disable the Hide Sensitive Content option if it's turned on. By making these changes, you'll successfully turn off Twitter's sensitive content filter, allowing you to view restricted content without any limitations. That's all for this guide. Hope this helps.